At the end of every year, I try to really be intentional and thoughtful about how my staff and I will wrap up the year. And so I wanted to give them some bags filled with a couple of things to get their 2025 started. And what better than an affirmation or a way to think about their goals for the year? Now, we'll show a couple of clips that really represents our theme for this school year, which was fun. And that stands for F, family, U, unity, N, nostalgia. And so I figured that us going to the local ice skating rink would be perfect. We will be able to have fun, do something a little differently, and it's nostalgic. And we'll all be together. So this is us at the ice skating rink. It was absolutely beautiful. It was a little chilly, and they had options. If they'd like to ice skate, they could. But the most important part was really us spending time together, laughing, playing games, eating, and just enjoying our company. And so it was really, really cute. We had a ringside lounge where it was a space dedicated just to us. It had some really nice heaters and icing on the cake. Guess who came to visit us? Santa himself. It was so cute, and we got to take pictures together and just really love on one another. It was truly a special moment in the perfect way to end off 2024. They also got competitive, guys. Wait a minute. And to end it all off, the Eagles won. The Eagles won.
Shoulder, knees, shoulder, head. Knees, head, toes, head, knees, cup. To the head, cup.
You are sitting alone, huh? Good. I'm in the zone. I'm in Cheers to hot chocolates.
Parent, back to school night, right? So we are now at our end of the year celebration. So this is going to be around our end of the year celebration. The object of the game is when you hear Mrs. Right, you'll pass the object to the right. When you hear Mr. Left, you pass the object to the left.
I say that. I said,
She said it once. Let her use her words.
I am going to semi-retire.
Okay.
Well, congratulations.
that means if you see me, I'm still around.
There you
And you
have it.
will see me.
Oh, well, can we give a congratulations? This is huge.
Our expectations for the new year really is for us to all walk into our higher selves, remember who we are, continue to build ourselves to get a new car.
Life does not have to be limited. Life is life. I know that sometimes things are hard, but we don't have to live with any limit. So I encourage all of you too to live life big. Nobody, no one has any control over your life. We can have fun if we want. But the thing I love is that our word for the year was fun. And so that's what this was about. Having fun, family, unity, nostalgia, and I feel like this encapsulated that. And so thank y'all for trusting my leadership and just staying and being in the program and helping to level me up, because you guys are a big part of allowing me to not feel like I have to be there every single day. And so seriously, like that's major. So thank y'all. It's all about leveling up. And so I'm ready to level up with y'all. This is not a matter of I level up and y'all don't. We level up together. So,
Yes.
thank you. I'm so happy to have you back. Thank you so much.
Good night, Mr. Nye.